ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿರಿ.
ಮೂವರು ಸದಸ್ಯರನ್ನೊಳಗೊಂಡ ತಂಡವು ಕೋವಿಡ್-19ನಿಂದ ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧೆಡೆ ಉಂಟಾಗಿರುವ ಪರಿಣಾಮದ ಕುರಿತು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ನಡೆಸುವ ಮತ್ತು ನೆರವಾಗುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ರೋಡ್ ಆಶ್ರಮ್ ಅಭಿಯಾನ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ತಂಡ ಸೋಮವಾರದಂದು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿದೆ. ಕಾರಿನ ಹೊರಭಾಗವನ್ನು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಧ್ವಜ, ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧ ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಂಬಿಸುವ ಚಿತ್ರ ಮೊದಲಾದವುಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ಗಳಿಂದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 4ರಂದು ಹೊಸದಿಲ್ಲಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಟಿರುವ ತಂಡ ವಿವಿಧ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತಾಡಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಮುಂದೆ ಗೋವಾದತ್ತ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಬೆಳೆಸಲಿದೆ. ಕೊರೋನಾದಿಂದ ಉಂಟಾಗಿರುವ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಖುದ್ದಾಗಿ ತೆರಳಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ನಡೆಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ದಾಖಲೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡುವುದು, ಕೊರೋನಾದಿಂದ ತೊಂದರೆಗೀಡಾದವರಿಗೆ ನೆರವಾಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇಣಿಗೆ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಿಸುವುದು ಈ ಅಭಿಯಾನದ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಗಡಿಗಳು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ದೇಶದುದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಸುಮಾರು 25,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಸಂಚರಿಸುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಹೊಂದಲಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 15,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆಯಂತೆ.
My name is Siddhartha Datta. I, along with my two friends, Ahmed Siddiqui and Neha Chaturvedi, are running a campaign named Road Ashram. In this campaign, we are traveling by this, specially handcrafted car, a distance of 25,000 kilometers along the borders of India. We are trying to highlight the issue of, COVID awareness, and at the same time, we are also trying to do a video documentation of the impact of COVID in the lives of people from different walks of life. COVID was supposed to be a health problem, but in India, it has created a huge humanitarian problem. Millions of people have lost their livelihood. Children are missing their, vaccination program. Because the schools are closed, a lot of children are not getting their daily, midday meal, benefits. And as a result, these things can create a huge malnutrition problem in coming days. And at the same time, especially people with disabilities and children, they are at the receiving end of it. We are also hearing the distressing stories of how women during this lockdown has been suffering, by domestic violence. Those cases have also risen. What we are trying to make out is, COVID has impacted the life of people in a various different ways. I mean, it has taken out their livelihood. It has created mental stress for a lot of people. So we think that for India, it is a very historic moment. So 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line, when we look back, we need a document to refer that what we could have done better, what we could have dealt in a different way. So, our intention is to come up with a documentary film which can be used by the next generation to study about what had happened in India during the COVID in 2020. In our campaign, Road Ashram, as we are traveling along, we are also appealing people. The most important appeal is that we think that people still needs help. The crisis is yet not over. People are, they have lost their jobs and they are still suffering. They need help. So we are appealing to all the countrymen, especially to Mangalorean people, that forget about the organizations. You come out and you donate people who are living in your neighborhood. You help them. You help them with the ration. You help them with whichever small capacity that you can. Just help in your surrounding.
ಇಡೀ ಜಗವನ್ನೇ ಅಂಗೈಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಜನಮನದ ಈ ಜೀವನ